Okay, so I'm Nitesh. Hello, everyone, guys. Once again, welcome to our YouTube channel for Nitesh. So today we are basically going to see how we can install SUSE Linux for our SAP application. So basically, already we have started in previous. Okay, it's starting. So already we have started few sessions in previous like to install it, but we were feeling like some issues were coming. So for now, issue is resolved, and in this session, basically, we will see how basically we are preparing our system for SAP system installation. Okay, so basically, we can even go on SUSE website and start our trial version also for 60 days for SAP application. Okay, SLES for SAP application, and from there we can download the download media. So here I have started that one. Okay, and we also without activating or without registration code even we can install it. Just the one disadvantage will be that like we won't be able to install anything or update anything, neither the support pack of OS from SUSE or either the any extra add-on or component if we needed in the go. So here basically I've installed here without registration code the simple one, and I guess I can show you from starting only this one. So what I will do, I will just delete this. Okay, and I have created one short document also here to see. Okay, sorry, these were like registration code. So these are how we can configure basically SUSE use weak type methodology to configure your IP addresses and all, not NMCLI by default. So here, these thing we can refer to set our static IP address. So basically, this we will do to use the same IP address, or else every time when you will restart your system, your IP address will be changed. Okay, and after that, we'll check how SSH we can enable and how we can whitelist from that firewall. Basically, I have took this information from online source only, not to manually type and all this. Chat GPT, Jindabad. Okay, so now let me just okay. So meanwhile, if anyone will have any question, you guys can ping me in chat. So let me just stop this one. Okay, just power off, and I will create one new one. Okay, so just create here. Click on and how to install VMware Workstation. This one at free. How we can install free for this also I have uploaded a video, so you guys can go and refer that. Here just you need to select a ISO file where it is. Okay, so I have already downloaded one before. This one, not this one. 15th March, 7th letter. Okay, which one is this? Okay, 15 Q. Yeah, this one only, which we have downloaded previously. Just select that. Next, you can give any name. So I'll keep this. Next, I'll give 100. Minimum is 20. You can keep 40, 60, 80 as per your use. So I'll keep 100, and I always select this one. Okay, split I. So it will basically increase your performance and your what you can say. Basically, performance will be increased in this one, but storage will be there will be some storage issue if no, not a single block of same storage available. Then this will give you storage something error. So always select split one. Okay, next. Here just we will customize the hardware. We will keep 32 GB RAM for it, and this will be default. I will just keep 2 core. Here I will select bridge one. Okay, bridge type. In display I will remove the graphics and sound card. All these things you can customize as per your need. And in this, okay, that will add after creation. Okay, finish. Now it will start our VM. Okay, so we have created how we have seen how we can select ISO, how we can configure the network things, how we can configure storage, RAM, and those things. Okay, now it's starting. We will select. Basically, we will go with a SUSE, not the standard one. Here we have to select installation if, and if system is already there. If you want to upgrade, then you can go for second. And for other modification, as time goes, we'll see for other options. Okay, self installation. And yeah, it will take some time, and might be in my case it will work a little fast or a little slow, so that completely depends on your hardware resources, as we have selected a full one. So here network is not the concern to installation. So if you have allocated a more RAM, then it will be fast on your machine. If you have allocated a less RAM, then it will be slower on your machine. And also depends on your hard disk, which type of hard disk it is. In my case, it is SSD. So yeah, it's loading. And do ping me in chat if you guys have any question. Okay, and also let me know if like from which backgrounds you guys are watching my video, so accordingly I'll get more insights which type of users are coming on the my videos and my lives. So accordingly I can make a videos more relevant to you guys. Okay, or else if you have any question, anything ask, or need any videos on something, you guys can ping that also. And regarding jobs and opportunity, regarding career path in SAP, that things also you guys if need videos, just comment in chat which type of video, like SAP career, then type SAP career, who are from basis security, BTP, anything. Okay, so I'll try to make videos on those. So it's loading drivers now. Okay, near to finish. And simultaneously I'm also started recording for to upload once live is finished. The recording is going on, so just wait. Hardly 5 to 10 minutes more it will take. So yeah, more on that. Once installation will be finished, will in the then this will be done. And in or else I'll show in. Okay, so after installation, we'll see how we can configure the static IP address. Already I have seen on that document how we can do. Few commands are there, and after that we'll prep our OS for our SAP DB installation, which will be we will install now HANA DB. Okay, so for that how we can mount additional disk. Here, see, when we created these OS files here, it didn't allowed us to add multiple disks, right? Mount for our mount points. So those things, whatever will be prerequisite, we'll see all those in it. Okay, so just stay here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let me see whoever have joined. Hey guys, just ping me from which background you guys have joined, like from which modules or from which career path you are here. Okay, so I'll just yeah. Okay. So here we will select SUSE Enterprise for SAP application. This we will proceed with this. So our SAP whatever dependency will be there for our SAP system installation, those will be covered in this. Or else previously we have seen in this. Okay, in these things few dependency which were be needed for this, that was not installed. And as we don't have any registration code, so it was not allowing us to download. Okay, so by default we'll proceed with this one only, and in this GUI also will be comes by default. Okay, so just click on, okay, it's loading, accept the license, and click on continue, basically next. And now here it will show you network configuration also. So in the here we don't have any registration code, right? You can take trial license also for 60 days, they will provide you. And we I have already did here, see, but no, I won't show you because credential also showing there. Okay, now after this it will show you ask you network configuration if you need anything, or is it came in last screen only. I didn't notice. Okay. So it's here you can select modules which you need to install with this. So basically I'll keep the default base module, legacy module, and the SAP application module. Okay. Or else something, if you need anything else based on your demand, you can select those also. So here web scripting I don't need. Okay, business one you can select, and these are not needed. Even these also I not need now. Sorry, this one business one, but let me keep if in future. um, Basically these things can be installed later also. So let me just proceed with the now default. Now nothing else needed. Okay, that's it. If any issue will come, I will deselect them. Sometimes we select multiple modules, but dependency issues comes. Okay, so both thing can't be go either in the same go, or maybe sometimes we don't have any registration code. In that case, also dependency issues comes. Okay, so those things we need to just take care. Now we are good to done. Okay, so these are the things basically which we have selected, showing. If you want to add something else, you can still add or just go back add, and if you don't want to add, just remove directly from here. Okay, next. Okay, now just it will check some issues there or not. So by default I'll go with this one. Okay, GUI, basically GUI is this will be your GUI type, GUI window. Okay, not a command line one. If you want just a command line, you can go with this. Okay, so there won't be any GUI window. I'll proceed with this. Okay, no, I will manually manually I will enable start that after installation. Okay, so just next, if you want to modify any mount points and all, you can keep here. I don't want anything, just proceed next. Here I will keep my local time. It's Kolkata. Okay, no UTC. You can keep as per your wish. Continue. Here I will keep default password root for root. Okay, in standard, basically while installing these and all, everything proceed with business. Okay, what business we have to check with business what they want. Okay, everything we need to just take we need to take their approvals. Okay, for any password and all. And in production system always we encrypt each and every disk. Here I'm not encrypting anything. Okay, by default I'm going with easy and all, so you guys can understand. So in other topics I don't want to confuse you guys. Okay, so here security policy will be disabled as I have force. If you are an okay, see. Okay, dependency came, very good. So what I will do now, I will go back. Okay, from here I will just remove some dependent. Go back, go back, back. I need to put my charger. Back, back. Oh, I will delete from there. Next. Okay. Skip registration. Next, let me put my charger. Okay, so I came just. Okay, let me connect my charger. Okay, yeah, connected. So just okay, and next. here what I will do, I will uh, let me delete this and Python. I guess with business module it will. If not, then I will remove business module also. हाँ? हाँ, ना रखो। वहाँ से भी कपड़ा धो नहा दे तो वहाँ से नहा दे। हम्म नहीं अभी नहीं फिर बाद में जाना ट्यूशन के टाइम में जाना Okay, पापा ने just continue. Next. Okay, I will remove that. Business one, delete. Okay, next. Next. Now, next. 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 Now it should not give any issue. Still, mm, why still the issue is same? Okay. Me about this. Okay. Power of and delete. Manage. Delete. Yes. Home. Create virtual machine. Next. Okay. Next. Next. Sometimes. Finish. Okay. So let's just. Okay. So these things basically happens. Okay, because of dependency and the type of application we're installing. So we have selected our what SAP type as like SLES for SAP, right? So something if you have selected which will not come in that part by default, so it will give dependency issues. So we need to take care of those things. What I will do, I will just not select anything. Basically I have selected those things. If in future I'll plan to take a video, so I don't need to install new VM, but it's not working. I will not select those for future. I'll just show you default one. Yeah. Yeah. So I guess no one in the live for now. Okay, SLES for SUSE. Sorry, for SAP. Just accept. Continue. Code. Okay. Next. And now we will proceed with the default modules, which will be selected by default. Nothing else we will select. Just let me select this. This should not give any dependence issue. Okay. And next. If it will give dependence, I need to remove that also. Next. Next. Disable this. Next. Next. Default. My local time. Okay. Next. Continue. Root. Root. And next. Yes. Yeah. See, so now we have not got any error like for stopping to proceed installation. We have unselected those things, business one, Python default. Okay, those things. So now we'll proceed with installation. It will install. Okay, just click continue install. Okay, so now it's a installing this. Let me give you quick or else this part I will cover in next video. Okay, in next video. So because my free version is there, only 7 minutes remaining. I need to finish this in 7 minutes. Okay, uh, just wait. I should have give more course to virtual machine. I had free, so it would be faster. Now number 4. Okay, so increase the course, but it restarted the VM. Great. Okay, so it continued there. Now it will be faster. Okay, let's wait. It will not take more time now. Still, so now it will be get done, guys. Basically, the main issue, if we'll face any issue in system, so that will be in the previous step only, where it checks the dependence and all. If that pass, no issue will be there. Okay, so that's the main thing you guys can think. Yeah, my yeah. Okay, yeah, it's utilizing theorems. Mhm. Okay, so hey guys, in future, see, for now I can't see any viewers here. I guess I should follow best practice to schedule the lives in advance only, so the like viewers can also be informed. Now I can't see anyone have joined now today. So that's why I've started recording. Also, I will upload this one. So these you guys can refer for installation in your dummy system, and when you can perform this in your production system, also in real system. Also, just encryption and those things will be needed, and mount points. Some customization will be needed clearly to check based on business need. Okay, else every step will be same. Okay, and that's it. So in this video basically we are near to end the installation of SUSE Linux. In next video I will show you guys how you can configure the basic OS level last dependencies things to proceed with the HANA installation. And after that, that video we'll see we will install the HANA database directly, and follow up will be final S4 HANA application server we will install. Okay, and just comment guys, just let me know what is your need, and what guide you need from me, my guys. Or okay, so I'll try to make videos on those also. And in follow-up video on my channel you guys will see a go through on SAP, basically how you guys can plan for SAP to start a career in it. And also some real world integration also, as we all know, like SAP moved to rise. Okay, so everyone moving to rise, most of from on-premise. So how we can configure BTP with SAP, their systems, their services, how we do that, how we check their service, how we check their utilization on business. So those things, everything we'll see in it. Also security part will cover in it. For Fury also we will like check. So everything will be technical part will cover in it. If in some guys are from functional and all, just let me know. I'll check on those things also. So yeah, it's near to be completed. Okay, around 80% done. Okay, so final once it will be completed, we will log in it, and we will end up with this session. And in next session we'll see to configure the services and ports and all for final login via our via laptop to the VM. Okay, virtual. Yeah, one package remaining, it will be done in minutes. How many? Oh, 2 minutes remaining, I need to finish it. Okay, so why no one has joined today? Okay, not an issue. So okay, fast, almost done. Just okay, as it is finishing, just let me know guys who are watching my videos. Okay, from technical background, from which background you are following, for which thing, like what is your motive to watch this video, like for which thing, like you are just a student, or you are just dummy system working on dummy system, or you're just learning it, or for your real like for your job applications, or for your job you are referring this. Just let me know also for like from which module you guys are there. Okay, just let me know. And yeah, now we are done with the installation. You can, okay, so system will be rebooted now. Just okay, and now we are okay to log in. See, system install finished. Just let me show you login screen. It's a GUI mode. Continue. Okay, we have installed a latest SLS 15 SP7. Basically, SLS 16 also came, but at -1 we go. Okay, so host control not enable. I know. See, my laptop fan is running. I can hear its noise from here. Okay, maybe temperature is increased. Yeah, it's 53. Okay, it's GUI, right? So it's utilizing GPU also. Okay, it's in GUI mode. That's why fan is spinning right now. See, our system installed finally. Okay, so let's okay, चलो finally हमारा system install हो गया है. Let me log in. Okay, so actually, my limit was reached. So finally, we have completed with our OS installation, and see these things are everything is done. Now, end up with this session to install, and in next session, guys, just stay here and yeah. So just like कर दो, subscribe कर दो, और video share करो if you feel this will be helpful for another also, and just support guys in whatever manner you guys can support our channel. और कमेंट करो आप लोग को वीडियोस कैसा लगा, कौन सा पॉइंट मैं इम्प्रूव कर सकता हूँ, या फिर कौन कौन सी डाउट्स है, या फिर अगर आप लोग को कुछ इश्यू आ रहा है वाइल इंस्टॉलेशन. सो ऑल्सो मैंने ये सेशन बेसिकली स्टार्ट से, जैसे मैंने स्टार्ट किया डाउनलोड से लेकर के इंस्टॉलेशन तक सारी चीज़ें मैंने कवर की है. जो इश्यूज आए वो भी मैंने आप लोग को सारे दिखाए. वीएम में कभी कभी इश्यू होता है, अगर आपने एड ऑन सेलेक्ट किया है, इवन डिपेंडेंसी इश्यू आ रहा है, हमने रिमूव किया उसको, राइट. बट स्टिल हमें इश्यू आ रहे थे, तो हमने जस्ट डिलीट किया, रिक्रिएट किया, देन हमारा इश्यू हुआ. सो ये कुछ टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस भी होते हैं जो कि मैं हमने सारी चीजें कवर की है इधर इस सेशन में. सो फाइनली वी आर एंड अप विद दिस सेशन. जस्ट सब्सक्राइब एंड सपोर्ट गाइज. और पिंग करो आप लोग ने लाइक किस किस मॉड्यूल से है, किस किस लोग ने वीडियो देखा है, अगर आप लोग को कुछ इश्यू आ रहा है, आप लोग कहाँ से है. So anything guys, just interact. Basically, my motive is you guys to like to encourage you guys to interact. Okay, thank you everyone for joining our channel. Bye bye.